Hello everyone, Tiger here. I'm in Cebu and the only single reason why I flew here today is because of lechon. It is what dominates the whole food culture of Cebu Island. I got invited to House of Lechon's pig roasting factory. It is this super local hut in the middle of nowhere where they're roasting hundreds of pigs by the week. We're also gonna find out how special the local cuisine of Philippines really is. It's gonna be a pure amazing experience, so I hope you stick around through the whole video and you get to see some amazing food. Let's eat. How are you? Are you good? Okay, after a little bit of a car ride, we have arrived in a village here in Cebu. This is where the House of Lechon roasts their pigs. This is a super local environment. You have roosters, you have cows, you have dogs, you have everything in here. It's like a small village here. This is also where they are roasting the pigs. And I took a quick look in there and oh my god, let me tell you that, it's crazy. They also told me this is the first time anyone comes in here to record. I feel so honored and this is such a special invitation. So as you can see, the smoke coming out here is the hut where they are roasting the pigs and I can already feel that smell. I'm actually really excited. So let's go inside and see when they're roasting. How many years have you been doing this?
6 years.
6 years. Oh. It is like a small hidden hut, but inside is this golden gem of roasted pigs. Right now they're roasting 6 at the same time. It is so hot in there. They're also explained to me that they're stuffing the pigs with onions and garlic, a lot of herbs and interesting stuff in there. It's very, very special. They have a sauce that they are marinating the pig with. That is what is going to flavor the whole pig. And they are roasting that for 3 hours. And actually right today they are roasting 21 pigs. This is a large amount of pig, guys. Oh, nice.
We never serve lechon without that sauce because without that sauce, karkar lechon is not karkar lechon.
Okay, so this is actually not where they are serving the pigs. This is just where they are roasting the pigs. And so they have 4 different restaurants that is located a little bit out from here. So we actually have to try the pig as well. And I'm going to go there right now and I'm gonna try out their delicious lechon. So let's go and check it out. And after the roasting of the pigs, you're next, guys. Okay, so I just sat down in one of their branches here. This is the first that they opened 6 years ago. And you know what? Opening 4 in 6 years, that just shows how successful they are. This restaurant is really busy. It's large. There's so many tables. Outside they have, it feels like 100 tables. And then they have the inside as well, which they have AC. Extremely large restaurant, very popular. Actually, we got a fresh batch of that pig. They just delivered it right from that hut where we went and we saw. I got some nice bonuses here. So I ordered several different dishes here. We got some sisig here on the side. Beautiful sisig with a nice egg that they have stirred in here. Also, we have like a pork stew made from the pig, of course, as well. And then we have some nice big chunks of the shrimp. I think there's some sort of garlic sauce here. It smells wonderful. And of course, we have, this is a classic thing. It's garlic rice, I believe, with some of the skin from the pork as well. And of course, we came for the lechon. And we have two versions of the lechon. We have the spicy version and we have the normal kakar special. I think we also see here some of the vegetables that was inside the pig as well as the sauce. Everything is served with a banana leaf. I really like that. Super local style. This is my breakfast and just feeling all the smells and the fumes coming out from these dishes. It just make me really, really hungry. I'm gonna leave the lechon for last because I know that is gonna be the best. All right, let's get this started. Oh my god, this is gonna be so great. I see a lot of onions in there and this is gonna be spicy too. I see there's a lot of green chilies here. There's a lot of meat. This is gonna be super fatty and spicy. This is the pork you need for the job. Okay, I'm gonna go for a large bite here. Oh my god, that is really nice. You know what? Go big or go home. Oh man, that is the best thing I've eaten in a long time. Super creamy from the egg, very salty, and you have those caramelized onions in there, and very fatty and meaty. One of my videos, I went to Pampanga, I tried sisig. It was awesome, but this one is a little bit more complex. That one was super simple. This one has a lot of ingredients inside, and the combination of all that ingredients is just really nice. That creaminess of that egg. Big scallops. Yeah. I keep getting more food. This is insane. Let's try to fit everything on one table.
Wow!
It's definitely for me. After I'm done here, I need the ambulance. Now I understand what they say when they say Filipino style. They eat a lot here. We have some scallops, they told me here, and they are drenched in some really nice cheese. And on top of that, they also caramelized it a little bit. I think now it's time to move on to the pork soup here. I'm not even sure if I can call it a soup. It's more like a stew. There is some nice large chunks of pork in here. And there is some vegetables too. I think there's some, oh yeah, it's green onions, and then there's some red onions in here. Whoa, that looks great. Take a good look at that. Okay, here we go, I have to try this. That is pure awesome. You get some of that nice chili, green chili, and you get some sweetness too. I'm not sure what that comes from, but it tastes really good. Don't tell me it's more food.
Dessert, sir.
Dessert?
Rice, yes.
Oh my god. I'm just getting started here, but the dessert already came. Those people who know me know that I'm a sucker for shrimp. And just take a good look at that. That is some colorful shrimp. I'm gonna take 3 at the same time. It's so buttery. There's some butter here. Super fresh, really tender, nice and creamy. You need to get some of that beautiful rice too. You see that in the middle? It's a super creamy fried egg. And here on top is the crispy skin. This is a deadly combination. I don't even know what to say here. It definitely made the right choice by putting that skin on top of this rice here. Okay, let's get this sucker out. Everything's so good, I'm so happy. I love this day. Super creamy cheese, nice flavorful scallops here in the middle. I just eat this plate, I'm gonna get pretty full. There's a lot of cheese in here. They're so addicting. I can't wait any longer. Now it's time for the lechon. The lechon is served on a plate with a head of a pig. I really like that. That is so characteristic. I'm gonna get fat, skin, meat, and even some of that vegetable, and I'm gonna give it a nice dip in the sauce here. Whoa, there's so much fat too. This is gonna be the glorious first bite here. Listen to that crunch, guys. That is the pathway to heaven. They told me that some of the pigs are stuffed with chilies, some are not. This is definitely the one with it, so I'm gonna give that a try as well. I do like spicy. I got everything here. I'm ready. Oh boy. I can feel the chili coming slowly now. It's actually really spicy. You hear that crispy skin? Oh my god. Some lechon might be a little bit chewy. This one is definitely not chewy. It's super crispy. I cannot even begin to describe how tasty the lechon is. It has everything. In the spicy version, I like it. It's really nice and spicy. Moving on to the last part here, which is the dessert. So much food, but I think I can fit this one because it looks really delicious. It's like a sticky mango rice. Kind of reminds me of the one you'll find in Thailand, but this one is presented really beautifully. You almost have like a flower here made of mangoes on top. Really nice, thinly sliced mangoes. And on the bottom, you will have the sticky mango rice. There's a very special sort of chocolate milk. It's really thick. I've heard about this before. I've never tried it. It looks really nice. It's super thick though. It's not like your normal type of chocolate milk. I'm gonna start with that actually. Nice. On my pants. It's not too sweet, and it's a lot of chocolate, maybe dark chocolate in here. Very special flavor. Maybe it will go well with that sticky rice. So beautifully presented, and oh wow, it's so thick here in the middle. I need to make sure that I get some of that mango together here. I think I got everything. Okay, here we go. That's actually really nice. I will say the one you'll find in Thailand is a little bit better. The mangoes are ripe, but not in peak season. So you will find better mangoes a few months back. However, I like it. It's good. I'm getting really full now. I realized that this place is not only about lechon. This place is more than that. They have a lot of good food here, and I'm grateful that I got the opportunity to eat here. And I also need to thank the guys for letting me inside here. Wonderful place, a lot of good food, and I had a great time here. And they're so wonderful. Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Tiger.
Okay, I think this will mark the end of the video. It got a little bit stressed. We were gonna go to another place actually, but time is short. Time is not as much as you think it is. Anyway, make sure to check out House of Lechon. They're the ones that made this whole video possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, like, and tell me what you think of the video. And as always guys, stay hungry.